Hi there. So I'm going to show you what to do here to test this form. Let's just first verify that it's working. So right now I'm using the default contact form 7 endpoint post URL. I'm going to put in a test name, test@test.com, send, and this is going to submit to my email. There you go, test name 1. Okay, so we know the form's functional. Now, you said that you didn't think that the endpoint URL was set up correctly. Well, you're right, it's not, because I wanted to eliminate all possible conflicts or potential errors so that nobody could argue that this is not functional because of a misconfiguration in WordPress. So I inputted the test or the Pardot endpoint URL directly into the HTML. And I'll show you how to do that in case you're unaware. So if you go to inspect element, we're looking at the form, and you're going to need to find the form action equals staging test sample page WordPress contact form 7, so on and so forth. So that's the default post URL, and we're going to change that to the endpoint URL that I'm given here within this Pardot form handler. Okay, so this is the one that I'm being instructed to post to, and I've tried both, but we'll try both right here in this video. Okay, so I'm going to do the HTTPS version first. I lost it. There we go. Okay, so we'll do the HTTPS version first. Let's go ahead and put that in there and hit enter. Okay, now the page is updated. I've edited the HTML directly on the page. Let's just double check to make sure that the labels, the field names are properly configured. Okay, your dash name, and then this one should be your dash email, Yep, okay, so everything's configured properly. We've got the endpoint URL and the HTML. We've got the two our fields named so they can be mapped properly. We'll do test name 1, test@test.com. Send. So I can see this is the one that you posted directly to. And that's it, nothing. Okay, so we know that it doesn't work. So it's not misconfigured within WordPress because I didn't even use WordPress there. I edited the HTML directly on the page. I created an HTML page from the database in WordPress, and then I edited that HTML page directly. So we know for sure that it's not the WordPress site that is causing an error. There's some block between when that is submitted and then it entering Pardot into Pardot's database. Something's blocking it there, and I think it's that error. It says that the URL cannot resolve. So I don't know if it's like a firewall. The IP is blacklisted. If there's a white list that I need to create. Also, this is the first I've ever heard of this tracking code, so maybe update me on that because I don't even know what that is. If that needs to be added to the page, then we'll try that. But that's not in any of your guys' instructions, so there's no way that I could know that.